Gentlemen, let me ask you something personal, and I want you to be honest with yourself. Have you ever wished you could last longer, feel in control, and actually enjoy intimacy without that constant fear of finishing too soon? You're not alone. In fact, it's one of the most common concerns men quietly struggle with after the age of 40, 50, even 60. And here's the good news. The solution doesn't always come in the form of a pill or some risky trick. What if I told you that applying one simple natural oil before self-stimulation or intimacy could instantly change the way your body responds? Not numbing, not shutting anything down, but actually calming the nerves, boosting circulation, and giving you steadier control. Today, I am going to walk you through several natural oils that do exactly that, explain how they work inside your body, show you how to apply them, and share the simple nightly routine that can transform your confidence in just a few weeks. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor, tap that like button to support this channel. Comment below and tell me, where are you watching from today? I love seeing men from all around the world come together here. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe so you don't miss these weekly science-backed tips for men's vitality. All right, let's get into it. Now, most men think oils are just lubricants, something slippery to make things glide easier. And while that's partly true, the right natural oils can do much more. They can actually interact with your skin, your blood vessels, and your nerve endings. Here's what usually happens as we age. The nerves in the pelvic region get oversensitive. They fire too quickly, and before you know it, you've reached the finish line faster than you wanted. The pelvic muscles stay tight without you even realizing it. That restricts blood flow and makes it harder to stay firm. And your blood vessels, especially in the groin, get a little stiffer over time. That reduces healthy circulation, is the lifeblood of performance. So the problem isn't just in your head, it's in your biology. And that's where natural oils come in. When applied properly, some oils can calm those overly sensitive nerves, relax the pelvic floor muscles, and nourish blood vessels so they deliver stronger, steadier blood flow. That means you don't feel like your body is sprinting to the finish line anymore. Instead, you get control. Not just control in the bedroom, but control over your dignity, your confidence, and your connection with your partner. If we haven't met yet, hi, I am Dr. Jocelyn Carter, a urologist with over 5 years of experience helping men restore their vitality naturally. I've seen men in their 40 seconds, 50 seconds, 60 seconds, and even beyond completely transform their performance just by making a few smart changes. No risky pills, no gimmicks, no shame. And I want you to know there is nothing weak or broken about you if you're struggling with finishing too soon. This is biology, and biology can be retrained. So, let's go step by step through the oils I recommend most often. Oil number 1, castor oil, the deep worker. If you've ever used castor oil on sore joints, you know it has this thick, almost velvety feel. But here's what makes it unique. It contains a compound called ricinoleic acid. Ricinoleic acid penetrates deep into muscle layers and blood vessels. When applied to the perineum, that soft spot between the base of your scrotum and your anus, it does 3 powerful things: relaxes tight pelvic muscles, calms hypersensitive nerves, boosts circulation. One of my patients, Mark, a 62-year-old retired teacher, once told me, "Doc, it feels like my body is finally cooperating instead of rushing me along." After 3 weeks of consistent castor oil use, he not only lasted longer, but said he felt calmer and more confident during intimacy. That's the power of castor oil. It's not just a lubricant, it's therapy. Oil number 2, coconut oil, the cushion. Light, smooth, silky coconut oil. Doesn't penetrate as deeply, but it brilliantly creates a protective layer that cushions the nerves. Instead of a sharp rush of stimulation, you get smoother, softer signals, giving you more time to enjoy. Plus, it's naturally antibacterial and keeps sensitive skin irritation free. Oil number 3, olive oil, the circulation helper. Olive oil is loaded with antioxidants like vitamin E that keep blood vessels flexible. When you massage it into the perineum or along the shaft, it provides lubrication while nourishing the vessels so they stay elastic and responsive. Safe, affordable, effective, a great starting point. Oil number 4, almond oil, the oil of calm. Almond oil is light, silky, and fast absorbing. With high vitamin E and magnesium levels, it relaxes muscles and calms nerves. For men who climax too quickly, almond oil works like a whisper to the nerves. Slow down, relax. You've got this. Now let's get practical because how you apply these oils matters. Here's the step-by-step method I teach. Set the scene. Relaxed environment. Stay clean. Wash hands in area. Warm the oil. Rub between your palms. Focus on the perineum with slow circular motions. Massage for 5 to 10 minutes. Then proceed with stimulation. Do this consistently for 2 to 3 weeks and your body starts forming a new rhythm. Instead of sprinting, it jogs. Instead of rushing, it controls. And let me remind you, if you've struggled with finishing too soon, you're not weak or broken. You simply learned one rhythm, and now your body is ready to learn a new one. Men, even in their 70 seconds, have rebuilt confidence and control using these methods. So here's my challenge. Pick one oil, castor, coconut, olive, or almond, and start tonight. Stay consistent for 3 weeks. Then come back and share your experience. This isn't just about lasting longer. It's about restoring dignity, waking up with confidence, and deepening your connection with your partner. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for weekly tips, and share with a friend who needs this. I am Dr. Jocelyn Carter. Take care of your health, take care of your confidence, and I'll see you in the next session.